Yo, what's up, guys? It's Border of the X of the King, Border X King here, and today I'm going to be taking you through what I am hopefully going to build soon. I'm trying to build a new PC that will be better for all of this, so let's see. We're going to go with the Samsung 850 EVO 250 gigabyte 25-inch SATA. This is really only going to be for, I'm going to put, like, specific things on it, I guess, like, my OS, I'm probably going to do a dual boot OS of Windows 10 and Ubuntu 15.10, just because I really like Ubuntu. I do. That's what my main OS is right now, and I'm loving it. But that's most likely what I'm going to use for that is just my operating systems and editing tools. On this 6 terabyte drive is going to be all my games. I'm going to cut it in half, so it's going to be 3 terabytes for Windows, 3 terabytes for Ubuntu, and it's just going to be games and videos, obviously. And I need 2 of those, actually. So I'll just probably do one for one for the other. I'm getting a 750 watt Corsair power supply, just a regular tower. I don't know if you guys have any better towers that you think I should get. Please let me know, but I do just kind of like this one. It's just kind of, I guess, classy. I don't really want it to, like, stick out and be like, oh, look at me, but I mean, if you guys have one that's super cool, let me know. Let's see. I wasn't sure if I should get 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM. I'll probably just do 16, right? Seems like the right thing to do, but I'm getting the Team Elite Plus. I'll get 2 8 gigs, so in total it'll be 16 gigs of RAM, so that should be quite good for me. I was getting the AS ROM motherboard. I don't know motherboards all that well, so I'm not sure if this is a good motherboard or I should get a different kind of motherboard. But please let me know in the description of what you think. I'm getting the Intel Core i5 4690 processor. This seems like a good processor. I could go a little bit over one if they have one that's available to overclock. I was just kind of skimming through real quick. I do want your opinions